Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to show you how you can make your old trunk more attractive. I'm sure that trunk will enhance the beauty of your living or drawing room with its vintage look. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to clean it with a damp cloth. After cleaning, I am going to paint it with a high gloss paint in shade beige. So after painting, it will turn out like this. So friends, I'm going to paint on it. So I'm going to use these small brushes and acrylic paints in shade brown and black. I choose to paint it with leopard print. तो इसके लिए मुझे कुछ रैंडम शेप्स इसके ऊपर ड्रा करनी होंगी. You can make any type of pattern on it. आप किसी भी तरह की ये शेप्स ड्रा कर सकते हैं. So now I am going to use black paint to draw its outer lines. So after painting, it will look like this. Now I'm going to paint its sides. For this you have to use a scotch tape and a scissor. हम ये स्कॉच टेप अप्लाई करेंगे इस पे. और स्कॉच टेप अप्लाई करते हुए आपको इनके दरमियान स्पेसेस छोड़ना होंगी, so that we paint that spaces later. So now I'm going to paint these spaces like this. So when paint dries, I'll take out these scotch tapes. Here is its final look. I hope guys you like my video. Please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.